What's going on, guys? This is he Sahil. I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide this taskbar while recording a video in OBS Studio. So two simple steps that you have to follow. First, minimize this and right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Here you can see an option that says automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So just check this option, and as you can see, the taskbar is not visible anymore. See, it's gone. So this is how you can hide your taskbar while recording videos on OBS Studio. Now, if you want your taskbar back, then just hover over this, go to settings and uncheck this. So that's it. I hope this video helped you solve your problem. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That's it. Thanks for watching.